Hi, my name is Andrew Elliott. I work at PDX CNC as the head of operations and business development. I heard about CTE classes my freshman year of high school. It was this metal shop out way far away from any other classroom, but in it was also a metals class for machining and welding. I took that class freshman year and have been hooked ever since. My junior year, I went down to Lynn Benton Community College for the Skills USA Oregon competition, and I placed second in precision machining. That only got me fired up to come back the next year. I came back the next year and I won gold. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. And what it is, it's a mixing between old school manufacturing and new school technology. Humans can now take the dangerous aspect of manufacturing away. They can make themselves safer, more productive, and more accurate. Being able to start the day with something on a computer screen and being able to hold it at the end of that day has made life just that much sweeter. I myself have machine parts that have gone in drones, that have gone into space, that have gone on satellites. I've had parts deep in the ocean. I've had parts all over the US and all over the world. Technology is increasing faster than we can predict. And all we can do as humans is try to keep up. I don't think that I could have had a single step in this direction without CTE. But it's those who can embrace technology and find new ways to make the same things. That's what our opportunity is now. And that's what the real opportunity is for kids. So all of these experiences that your child could potentially have, it could only be setting them up for a better life. And all you have to do is introduce them to it.